Option number one is to walk. Option number one is to walk. Ah, god damn it. Ah, there we go. Oh man. Oh no. Oh. Unbelievable. Slightly wet foot, not too bad though. They also know that the church, the cathedral that I'm going to be visiting very shortly, was built around about that time, but then later replaced. It was built originally from wood, it was later replaced by a stone building, so possibly it had caught fire and burnt down. And the buildings that I'm walking around were mostly built in the 17th and 18th centuries. No, they weren't. It was 18th and 19th, nearly. Oh. Oh. Right there in front of the town hall is the kissing student statue or sculpture. It's been there since 1998. The fountain's been there since the 1950s. And it is considered the main meeting place if you're coming into town and meeting with friends or family. The population here in Tartu is made up, there we go, look, romance is in the air. The population is made up of 1/5 of students, and it has Estonia's #1 university, the University of Tartu, which I'll be visiting very shortly. I think got to go up here next. Oh no, maybe not. I thought it was up there, but there's a gate. I think when I came to that road I should have turned left instead of going straight on. I may have mistimed my hike down the mountain. It's starting to get pretty dark now. I think I'm too far from the bottom now, probably in about another 10-15 minutes if I keep up this pace. Okay, darkness has fallen. I think the rest of the way by iPhone light. Currently around about the area of the upper bastions, and the fortress has its own chapel, St Anne's Chapel I think it's called. So I'm gonna poke my head into the door and just see what is in here. There we go. Looks like a lot of these old buildings, they've been restored over the years. I think that was a large ferry making that noise. Unfortunately, even though I'm on Penny Lane, I can't play you the song for copyright reasons, but I've got the next best thing for you. I am gonna sing it. Here we go. Penny Lane is in my ears and in my eyes, da 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 da, da da da. There beneath the blue suburban skies, I sit and meanwhile back. Oh, shouldn't have sung it while I was going up that hill. Nice railway track. Right, back to the car I think.